Hello, everybody. Welcome to Short Shot Archery. I'm here with Andrew Choi. Andrew, share with us your experience leading up to this event. This is really inspirational, guys, and this is why I'm making this video because it inspired me. So, what happened before Gator Cup, Andrew?
Unfortunately, I got hit by a speeding car, during the nighttime, and I fractured a lot of bones. Had to get brain surgery. That's basically what happened.
So that's pretty tough. He ended up having to miss Gator Cup, and here he is now, recovering still, but able to shoot archery. Pulled it together to shoot archery here at the SoCal Showdown.
Yes.
Really inspirational. And anything else you have to say about this?
Happy shooting, I guess. Always be confident, and anything is possible. So, believe, dream big dreams.
All right, so there you have it. Be sure to follow Andrew on his social media, on his Instagram. I'll have it right up here. Go check him out. He's a really cool kid, and he's doing his archery thing. So thank you, everybody, for watching, and as always, happy shooting.
Are you kidding? Other national? Are you kidding? Other national?